What is up, everyone? This is Mototaurus, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your Windows 10 not detecting your second monitor on your Windows device. So I do have two monitors, and I'm going to kind of show you. So the first thing is you want to actually go to settings, and in here you want to look for something essentially where you are your system. So in systems and display. So over here, as you can see, you see 1 and 2. I do have two monitors. The monitor I am on currently is monitor number 1, and there's a monitor number 2. If you are only seeing 1 over here, this is where you need to first press the detect button, and it might detect it for you. If it does, great, and it might start to work. If not, it'll say no monitor detected. So that's obviously the issuance of the the issue, I should say, the persistence of the issue. So we're gonna basically now try to fix it. So the next thing is you want to kind of just making sure, kind of going down that route just to make sure it's not actually popping up, is you want to go to device manager. So in the search bar, same thing, just write device manager. This will pop up, and in here the component we're going to be focusing on is something called display adapters, or not display adapters. It is called monitors. I apologize. So in monitors, you're actually going to see if you have both your monitors there. So if for some reason the monitor is not being picked up here, it should, there's a possibility that the monitor is being picked up here, so you want to make sure which whenever it is. Right click into both of them, because if there's a difference name, that's great. You can easily identify. If it's like mine for some reason and it's saying the same name, you want to do update driver for both of them. So it's very plausible and possible that that is just the monitors for some reason. Software or whatever you want to call it, the driver's update is not there. The next thing is, if for some reason this doesn't work, we actually are going to go into the display adapters next. So it is very possible that your display adapter, so most likely your graphic card, which is the display, is not showing you that specific monitor for whatever reason necessary. So similarly, you want to do update driver, you want to do search automatically, and let's just say this doesn't pop up. What you can also still do is you can technically go into properties, go into the driver details, find out what the who the driver's from. Usually it's fairly obvious because of the first component, it just says this. So this one's NVIDIA. You can actually get the drivers from online itself. So I personally have like an NVIDIA downloader somewhere. I think it's on this computer somewhere, right here, the GeForce Experience. It does it for me. So a lot of times that one does the update for me. So usually it's the Windows not finding the update. You might have to do it yourself. So it could be because of that you don't have the latest drivers updated from the display adapter component, and not necessarily the monitor adapter component. But again, you can try that as well. You can, again, very similarly, let's say I have my second monitor, Spectre. So, Scepter, I think. I don't know how you pronounce it. And you can technically Google their drivers, download it, and install it. Like, you can even get the exact model number from behind the monitor and download those, and then it should pick it up. So, a lot of times, Windows kind of sucks from that perspective compared to Mac, where you have to do a lot of driver downloads and updates. This is very similar with, like, printers and mouse and headphones and etc., etc., etc. I don't know. It's just a fault in Windows, I guess. But that's what makes this ecosystem kind of like open. It's prone to these issues that end up happening. Sucks, I know, but hey. But yeah, that's basically it. You guys can kind of try those methods out, and hopefully it ends up working for you guys and you're able to fix that issue. Yeah, if you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. Helps a lot. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that more tutorials out. Peace.